Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add bleed here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a bleed in Adobe Express is a bit different from traditional design software like Adobe InDesign or any other software that you are familiar with, because Adobe Express primarily focuses on simple design tools. However, you can still create designs with a bleed by adjusting the canvas size to ensure that elements extend beyond the edge of a document, which is very important for printing purposes. All right, so one of the best option is, for example, you are already here on the design that you're working. There's an option here that says add, wherein you can create a custom size. But the thing is, it doesn't have the option for you to add a bleed. If you go to the download option and try to print this for the PDF, which is best for printing, you see there is going to be an option that says show bleed. All right, you can also include bleed and crop marks for easier trimming and after printing. All right, you can add the crop marks here. And of course, from here, all I'm going to do is click on download. It's very easy. Another option that you can do is go to the home page. All right. From the home page, you can start with a custom size by clicking this plus button on the upper left corner. I want you to click on the custom size. All right. Say, for example, create a new file. But there should be an option here where you can add a bleed. Right now, the idea is, if you can add a bleed during the custom size, it's only applicable on the mobile app. If you're using the computer like your desktop, you're not going to be able to do that. But don't worry, because we're going to choose a photo here so we can add a bleed. Photos right here, for example, this one. Right, for you to be able to bleed here, all you're going to do is go to the margins. All right, click on show bleed. You see that? You can also have the option to show margins if you want it. So you can have like a guide here instead of using a preset template. All right. When designing, make sure you place all the background elements here. All right. The colors, images, patterns right here. So they extend all the way to the edge of the canvas. Not only, it's only applicable for the image, you can also do that for videos as well here. It's very easy thing to do. So you have like a ruler or a guide covering the bleed area. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.